Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of video in which we are showing you how you can do the cost analysis reports in SAP, and using VBA and SAPGUI scripting. You can automate the things. You can automate your analysis, and you can save a lot of time and perform those tasks which normally take plenty of time. So just with a click of button, this takes you to the SAP and performing, which means and execute the desired code in the report and fill in all the selection criteria on the basis of your input in here. And here we discuss the plan cost and the production order costing report. Right, then plan cost debits is updated on when it is updated as soon as the plan order is run. Means the run date of the plan order. So your plan cost debit will take the effect. And if the plan order is later than the production order, then the target cost debit is the plan cost debit, right? Okay, because as soon as the plan cost is run, so that becomes your target cost debit. Okay, so let me take you to the SAP manually when we run this T code, that is KOC4, KOC4. So you are given a selection criteria, right? If you enter the selection criteria, right, where that from which period of what year till which period of what year, right? So what you do is, and you use layout, right? In which we have saved our own customized layout, which is more purposeful for us. So we use this layout. We can use other layouts as well for comparison. Okay, so when we execute this report, this takes this layout and applies this then the selected layout on users. Okay, so these are the order numbers. For example, you want to see a certain order. So, for example, this is the order. Plus, then the target was 5, and you have taken, yeah. So these are the 100% achieved. Okay, good. So if you want to see the detail of it, you can double click on it, and it gives you the complete reason sheet. So how this cost has arrived and what are the cost drivers in here. Okay, these are the mentioned the material consumption of that much amount, and non-production material consumption again. These were that is totaling, and if there is any settlement, right, so that is done, and the plan and what the actual variance is mentioned in here. And this is the 38.89% is the variance achieved plan versus achieved actual variance, right? So this is the way that you can get the drill down to the reason sheet of all these figures, right? So for the moment, we will further automate these things so that you have this information available in the download as well. Okay, but for the moment, we are downloading on this front end report in here. Like, so this is the reason sheet of these are the 400 pieces quantity, or what is actual quantity. Okay, and the cost is not mentioned in here. It's okay. So this is a test data. So in the real scenario, it is going to make more sense to you. So you these are the cost drivers, right? Direct material, machine time, and personal time. These all are the breakup of your task, your cost, which is mentioned in there. Okay, 1475. If you get back to here, yeah, these are the 1495. So these are the break. Means this is the way you uh, uh, drill down and take the more information of a selected order. For example, you want further details of this figure. So this is the detail sheet. Yeah, 384. These are the consumption of the raw material, 384,968. Okay, and these are the direct material. This is actually the direct material. Okay, and the machine time and these all of this are the zeros, and the setup time is that much. So the credit of cost and by this is a credit uh, credits are 522775. Okay? This is a US dollar. So these are the reason sheet of at the back end of any entry which you have. All you need to do is just double click on it and you get the breakup of this and how this cost has arrived. The complete details are available. Right. Example, this one you want to see 620. You click on it and you get the result, the complete details of it, the how this cost is arrived, how the actual, what was the planned quantity, what is the actual quantity. So it is 100% achieved, 100% achieved, right? And whatever was the plan was actually, it was achieved accordingly, okay? And all the cost breakups are available. With the click of button, you have it. Okay? Also, you can get it into your local file. Yeah? You can copy it into the clear clipboard and paste it into your Excel and then do further analysis for you. The SAP is going to bring you all your most of the things which you would be needing. So the later, then you can customize your own report on the basis of that data. Okay. So let's see the automation. How does it happen? The system, as soon as we click this double click, we can click on it, it will take automatically, it will go to the start and start doing it from the scratch. Okay. So let's click on it and you see it is now closing whatever is it is doing. And okay, if this happens, then it means it has got some, it has a stock up on exiting this fair enough, no problem. So you have to, what you need to do is you have to exit this report. Okay, and now you can do it again. That's fine, nothing doing, where we can do the fine tuning so that such error does not occur. But what we do is we do it again, and no worry, let's click. Now you see it is performing its job. It is behaving nicely. Okay, it has become a good boy now. Okay, so it is now ready to do some common procedure that is for downloading. Currently, the download is blank. So this report, which it has already executed, now it is going to download it into the Excel. Okay, so we have put a stop in here so that you can see what is happening. Okay, so keeping Excel in front of you, and you will see that what happens when we proceed. Okay, so it takes you to the download sheet, and you will see that all the reports are being downloaded, and that's it. Okay, so we have used this scripting uh, which we shown you in our previous video. And that SAPGUI scripting is all you need to do is just cut and paste. We have done all these, we have not written all these things. It's just cut and paste, right? And it's working, right? So until now, we have put a stop in here because this is a copy of our previous report. Huh? So most of the jobs which we did in the previous, they are still working in this report as well. And with the exception, we will see if there is any exception in the remaining part of the program, we will do it. Okay. So it has done the job that it has brought the download in front of you, and then you can carry on. And let's see what is it uh, report data, how does the data look like in here. So let's freeze the panes so that we can see what is there, and do the auto filter as well. Okay, so since we are in the break mode, okay, the program is saying that you are in the break mode. You got to close this thing first, and then you can do the break data filter. Okay. So this comes with the experience that what is it saying? What does it want? Okay. So if we remove the blanks, and so that we can see all these materials. These are the materials which were used in these production orders, plan orders, and their actual variance, etc. If any, that is shown in front of you, right? So, for example, this here. So it has got the variance of 3, the target versus actual 375, 100%, and that's it. So this is a test data, and in real scenario, it is going to make more sense to you. Okay, so with the click of button, you are able to get all your costing analysis from KOC4, um, and uh, and further you can make the enhancement as there. We will carry on the fine tuning, some more automation in it in our next video. So stay tuned to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.